marami naman kami sa age group ko. So, I think we all deliver different, what do you call it? We all deliver different things to the audience. We all have a different market. So, it's hard to really pinpoint a single person or, you know, mention a single name because we're all, siguro yung mga kasabayan ko, we're all just trying to make our own name then at the same time. So, it's not any of my focus na, ay, sige yan yung mukha ko ngayon. I just want to work on me, I just want to make sure I produce, I'm part of a good show, I make the show a success with TV5. Kasi I think here in TV5, it's not about, okay, ito ginagawa nila, gawin natin to para mas magaling tayo. It's more of, okay, let's provide something that they haven't seen, make sure that they enjoy it. And that's what I'm also trying to provide na, okay, well, everyone's, you know, doing this, I could do that also, but I can also provide something else. So, ako, I don't give any attention sa mga, ganyan, yung mga counterpart choo-choo.
Or is it because you're not aware of their existence?
O hindi naman. No, I'm very updated sa mga fresh faces and sa mga kasabayan ko. Of course, a few of them I've met already and I have good relationships with. So, you know, it's no competition at all. Trabaho lang, di ba? Definitely not the singing. I leave that to my, you know, sister. But of course, when it calls for it sa mga events or sa mga mall shows, of course I will do it and I will abide by what is requested of me. Kasi part naman yun ng job ko. But in terms of kung ano yung main focus ko, what I would say would be everything because I want to be a well-rounded public figure and TV5 artist so that, you know, if people are looking for someone who can do a certain job, hindi lang yun yung kaya kong gawin, but I can also do this. So, kung gusto nila ng dancer, di ba, entertainment, hip-hop, ganyan, pwede kong gawin yun. Pero kung gusto nila na akong mag-host, pwede rin naman akong mag-host, di ba? So, I wanna be a well-rounded artist nga of TV5. So, no focus on one single craft, but I want to make sure I train well in all aspects.
But when it comes to acting, will it be into a serious one, in serious acting talaga, or yung mga light romance, comedy talaga?
Well, I think with all shows, there is a very heavy drama part naman of a show, which engages the people. But there's also a lightness to it, para hindi naman yung ang bigat pag pinapanood mo na parang hindi ko na kaya. Yung okay na siya, hindi na siya problematic yung character niya. So I think there's a range talaga naman. But of course, we want to do a drama series also to make sure we follow up what I've already proven this year, I guess.
You still have contact with David Archuleta?
No, kasi he's in yung service niya, his performance service na he had to do for 2 years. So, hindi pa siya matatapos ng service niya until next year pa, 2014. So, even naman if, we weren't close friends, and say, we were acquaintances and professional relationship lang yung meron namin kami.
Thank you.
Thank you.